Paver Group has 56 years of history. The group is composed of Paver and Relum in Grenouilles, of Paver Fontime in Sant Frutos de Bages and of Paver Tadej in Poprad, Slovakia. Our core branch is the automotive industry. 10% of our sales come from the domestic market, and 90% from the international market, meaning our products are distributed across 5 continents. Market demands require us to invest continuously and focus on innovation. That's why we chose VISI. When we contacted Paver at a trade fair visit, they launched an interesting project that we have now completed, where they advised us on how to change and optimize times, while combining all levels of the technical office and the shop floor.
A la vez que combinaba en todos los niveles de la oficina técnica y del taller.
Durante muchos años habíamos...
After all, we handled information separately, between design and machining, for many years. So, what was sought at the time, was something to homogenize the 2 pieces of information, so that we could work much faster. That's where Hexagon came in, with the VISI software, and because of this, we have achieved to greatly speed up the design process, and the transfer of information to machining. And we have also managed to speed up bid times, and tool-making timelines. We started the training sessions, and saw that we achieved great time optimization at all levels, from the quotation to the machine project, etc.
Proyecto, mecanizado, etc.
El software VISI nos aporta tanto cumplimiento.
The VISI software meets the expectations we had for simulations and for finite elements. It provides us with a very intuitive and very user-friendly interface. And of course, the technical service provided by Hexagon VISI gives us a complete service anytime when we need it. The new VISI system we have in the machining area, next to the technical office, helps us a lot when it comes to transferring information. The new VISI system also helps us to recognize plates. Mainly holes, finishing, machining, exterior and interior. It's also very agile to plug holes and change radii on the same machine, without having to rely on a technical office. The financial return on this kind of acquisition is hard to evaluate in such a short time. Subjectively, we can say there is a before and an after in Paver's history. The acquisition of this software will enable us to have a huge number of new functions and applications that we had not been able to use before. Therefore, the return on investment should not only be valued in time and money, as it will also give us a higher reputation in front of customers, and give us the opportunity to obtain new projects. Paver's collaboration, apart from the implementation, has been excellent, as they have all put a lot of effort into integrating the whole project. In the end, we have managed to meet all the needs and demands we had, at the beginning of the project, in record time.
Al principio del proyecto.